Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we'll learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Come on, now repeat after me. Let's take a first step in with alphabet. Today we are going to learn uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Well, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Let's learn. So sit properly with your back straight, stay attentive and speak after me. The first letter is A. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Speak loudly. A. 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 The next letter is B. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Speak aloud. B. 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 The next letter is C. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Speak loudly. C. 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 What comes after C? Yes, it's D. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Say with me. D. 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 Let's revise. A. B. C. D. Say it again. A. B. C. D. Let's proceed to our next letter, that is E. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Speak loudly. E. 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 The next letter is F. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Speak aloud. F. 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 After F, it's G. Uppercase G. Lowercase g. Speak loudly. G. 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 The next letter is H. Uppercase H. Lowercase h. Speak aloud. H. 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 Let's revise. E. F. G. H. Practice for one more time. E. F. G, H. Let's move forward. The next letter is I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Speak aloud. I. After I, it's J. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Speak loudly. J. The next letter is K. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Speak aloud. K. The next letter is L. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Speak loudly. L. Let's revise. I, J, K, L. Say it again. I, J, K, L. Let's move further. The next letter is M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. Speak loudly. M. After M, it's N. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Speak aloud. N. The next letter is O. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Speak loudly. O. The next letter is P. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Speak with me. P. Let's revise. M, N, O, P. Practice for one more time. M, N, O, P. Let's move forward. The next letter is Q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Speak loudly. Q. After Q, it's R. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Speak aloud. R. The next letter is S. Uppercase S, lowercase s. Speak loudly. S. The next letter is T. Uppercase T, lowercase t. Speak aloud. T. Let's revise. Q, R, S, T. Practice for one more time. Q, R, S, T. Let's move forward. The next letter is U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Speak loudly. U, U, U. After U, it's V. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Speak aloud. V, V, V. The next letter is W. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Speak aloud. W, W, W. Let's revise. U, V, W. Say it again. U, V, W. Let's move forward. The next letter is X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Speak loudly. X, X, X. The next letter is Y. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Speak aloud. Y, Y, Y. After Y, it's Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Speak loudly. Z, Z, Z. Let's revise. X, Y, Z. Say it again. X, Y, Z. Great! Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my lovely kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Are you ready with your English file? Yes? Then open page number 145, 145. All of you have opened? On this page, we are going to do the practice of lowercase z. What we are going to do? We are going to do the practice of lowercase z again. And you already know how to write lowercase z. We are going to start the Z from the middle line. On the middle line, from left to right, we have to draw a sleeping line, then slanting line till base line, and one more sleeping line on the base line. This is the formation of lowercase z. And now speak loudly. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z as in zero. Z as in 0. Now take out your pencil and start writing with me. Again one slanting line till base line, one more sleeping line. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z as in 0. Speak and write, children. Now come to the next column and write Z. One sleeping line, slanting line, one more sleeping line. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z as in 0. Z as in 0. Done. Again come to the next column and write Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, again one more sleeping line. Z. With this, I have completed my first row. Now it's your turn to complete your first row. Don't look here and there until you complete the work. Done? Now come to the next row. Again write Z. Draw a sleeping line on the middle line. One more slanting line. Then again one more sleeping line. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z as in 0. Z as in 0. Do your work neatly and properly. And be careful about the lines. Don't go beyond the lines. If you have made wrong, you can use erasers. All of you have completed till here. Good job. Now listen carefully. In these two lines, you will practice writing Z again later on. And when you complete the page, click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp group. Keep practicing. Take care.